so many fun things to try. So I actually started playing with this thing called OpenCode. I know. A few episodes ago, I was on Continue, Incline, but OpenCode actually combines a lot of the same pieces and it's open source. So I've been using all of the tokens and I've been using their free models and I've been doing all of this stuff for the free, which is exciting. But basically it runs in the terminal. And what I really like about OpenCode is you can have different agents. So they do this thing that Claude also does, which is agents and subagents. So I have plan, build, come by default. I also added like a learn for when I want to not actually have AI do stuff for me. And then I have write, which is basically all of the modes that I am in the day. I'm either writing documentation or writing things for clients or writing scopes. I'm either actually building code, I'm planning stuff, or I'm like learning something. So it's cool that you can do that. And then they have this thing called subagents. So subagents, if you add it, you can add files, but you can add a subagent. And what I have found has worked well is because MCPs, model context protocols, can add a lot of context to your conversations, which I think is what was happening that week that I did like 48 million tokens, whatever. I have the MCP that's relevant. I put that into a sub agent. So when I need fireflies, I at fireflies. When I need ClickUp, I at ClickUp. So it's not always, because I'm not always actively needing it. So that's cool. You can switch between models. I connected it to my OpenRouter, so I have a ton of paid models. But OpenCode, they have this thing called Zen, and they have these 3 free models by default. So it's exciting in that way. And I just like how it operates. Super clean in the terminal if you want to copy something. I also like that you can see it's thinking. You just like click it if you want to copy something. You get access to how many tokens, so you can keep an eye on that for conversations. I think this is my everything workspace. So I have it hooked up to all of the software tools that I care about. Linear, ClickUp, Drive, all that stuff. Would love to know if anybody else has been using some of these terminal agents